Dear students, let us start exercise 13.1. Question number 1. A plastic box 1.5 meter long, 1.25 meter wide and 65 centimeter deep is to be made. It is to be open at the top, ignoring the thickness of the plastic sheet. Determine first point, the area of sheet required for making the box. Second point, the cost of a sheet for it. If a sheet measuring 1 meter square cost rupees 20. Question number 1, let us start. For plastic box, length given है 1.5 meter, breadth 1.25 and height 65 centimeter. You have to convert in meter by upon 100. 20 है डिनोमिनेटर में, दैट मीन्स 2 डिजिट के बाद पॉइंट 0.65 मीटर. So we have to find the area of sheet required. First is we have to put the formula. Lateral surface area of cuboid, that means area of 4 sides and plus एरिया ऑफ बेस. यानी जो प्लास्टिक बॉक्स है वो क्या है, ऊपर से ओपन है. तो यू हैव टू पुट द फॉर्मूला एरिया फॉर वॉल्स कॉल्ड लेटरल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ क्यूबॉइड एंड बेस पे आपने प्लास्टिक यूज करनी है, दैट मीन्स एरिया ऑफ बेस. देन पुट द फॉर्मूला 2 इंटू एल प्लस बी इंटू एच प्लस एल इंटू बी. Fit the value 2 into length 1.5 plus 1.25 into 0.65 plus length into breadth means 1.5 into 1.25 प्लस करेंगे इसको 2.75 इंटू 0.65 प्लस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 1.875. देन आफ्टर मल्टीप्लाई you get 3.175 plus 1.875. Then after adding them you get 5.45 meter square. Second part is cost of a 1 meter square sheet is equal to rupees 20. Then cost of 5.45 meter square is equal to 5.45 into 20. Multiply करेंगे, then you get the answer 109 rupees. Let us start question number 2. The length, breadth and height of a room are 5 meter, 4 meter and 3 meter respectively. Find the cost of whitewashing the wall of the room and ceiling at the rate of rupees 7.50 per meter square. This question is similar to question first. Let us start. Question number 2. For room, length 5 meter, breadth 4 meter and height 3 meter. Area for whitewashing means lateral surface area of room means area for walls plus roof yani area of ceiling. Then put the formula 2 into L plus B into H and area of ceiling means L into B. Put the value 2 into length 5 and breadth 4, height 3 plus length into breadth means 5 into 4. 5 plus 4 9, 9 to the 18, 18 3 the 54, then 5 for the 20. 54 plus 20 you get 74 meter square. Then cost will be given. Cost of 1 meter whitewashing is equal to rupees 7.50 and 74 meter square वाइट वॉशिंग का कितना होगा 7.50 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 74, देन यू गेट द आंसर 555 rupees. Let us start question number 3. The floor of a rectangular hall has perimeter 250 meter. If the cost of painting the 4 walls at the rate of rupees 10 per meter square is rupees 15,000, find the height of the hall. Hint is given, area of 4 walls is equal to lateral surface area. Means you have to given cost of painting for wall 15,000, rate per meter square 10 rupees. So lateral surface area means 15,000 को 10 से अगर डिवाइड करेंगे you get lateral surface area 1500. Parameter is given, parameter of floor 250. You have to put the formula of parameter, 2 into L plus B is equal to 250. Make equation first, then lateral surface area of room is 1500. Put the formula, 2 into L plus B into H is equal to 1500. 2 into L plus B, 2 into L plus B is equal to 250 given है. You have to put it 250 from equation first. Then you have to find height. 250 मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, इधर आ क्या हो जाएगा डिवाइड, 0 से 0 कैंसिल, 25 6 द 150. देन हाइट ऑफ वॉल इज इक्वल टू H is equal to 6 meter is the answer. Height of hall है, height of HW hall. Question number 4. The point is in a container, paint in a container is sufficient to paint an area equal to 9.375 meter square. How many bricks of dimension 22.5 centimeter into 10 into 7.5 centimeter can be painted out of this container? Let us start question number 4. For brick, length 22.5 centimeter, breadth 10 centimeter and height 7.5 centimeter. Total surface area of brick 2 into L plus B plus BH, 2 into LB plus BH plus HL, and 2 into L 22.5 into 10 plus 10 into 7.5 plus 7.5 into 22.5. By multiply you get 2 to 5 plus 7.5 plus 168.75. By adding them you get 468.75 into 2. By multiply them you get 937 and 937.5 centimeters square. Total area to be painted 9.375 meter square में. You have to convert in centimeter, then you have to multiply it by 100 in 2 time, means meter square में पावर 2 है, तो 2 टाइम 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. पॉइंट के बाद 3 डिजिट हैं तो 1000, 1 2 3 1 2 3, ठीक है. You get 93750 centimeter square. Number of bricks required, total area to be painted by total surface area of bricks means 93750 upon 937.5, पॉइंट कैंसिल करेंगे अपॉन 10, रिवर्स कर देंगे 10 अपॉन 9375, कट इट बाय 10, 10 10 द 100, यानी नंबर ऑफ ब्रिक्स इज इक्वल टू 100 ब्रिक्स आ जाएंगे. क्लियर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. A cubical box has each edge 10 centimeter and another cuboidal box is 12.5 meter long and 10 centimeter wide and 8 centimeter high. First part, which box has the greater lateral surface area and by how much. Means you have to find the lateral surface area of cube and cuboid. First, for cubical box, edge means side is given 10 centimeter. Lateral surface area of cube 4 into side square means 4 into 10 into 10. 10 10 the 100 into 4 कितना बन गया 400 centimeter square. For cuboidal box, length 12.5, breadth 10 centimeter and height is 8 centimeter. You have to put the formula lateral surface area of cuboid box means 2 into L plus B into H. Put length and breadth and height. You get 22.5 by adding. Then you have to multiply. You get the 360 meters square. So lateral surface area of cube is 400 and cuboid is 360. So we have mentioned lateral surface area of cubical box is greater by कितना ज़्यादा है 400 minus 360 means 40 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर जो है वो ग्रेटर है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज सेकंड पार्ट. विच बॉक्स हैज़ द स्मॉलर टोटल सरफेस एरिया एंड बाय हाउ मच. मीन्स यू हैव टू फाइंड द टोटल सरफेस एरिया. So TSA means total surface area of cube 6 into side square means 6 into 10 into 10. 10 10 the 100 6 the 600 meter square. Then total surface area of cuboid 2 into LB plus BH plus HL means 2 into 12.5 into 10 plus 10 into 8 plus 8 into 12.5. By solving them 125 plus 80 plus 100 you get. Then by adding them you get 305 into 2. By multiplying them you get 610. So total surface area of cube is 600 and total surface area of cuboid is 610. क्वेश्चन के अंदर क्या फाइंड करना है. विच इज द लेसर मीन्स टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ क्यूब इज लेसर बाय 610 minus 600 is equal to 10 meter. यानी total surface area of cube is lesser by 10 meter square. Let us start question number 6. A small indoor greenhouse is made entirely of glass pans including base held together with tape. It is 30 centimeter long, 25 centimeter wide and 25 centimeter high. First part is what is the area of glass. यानी सारे ग्लास का एरिया क्या होगा. You have to put the formula total surface area. Let us start. For glass pan, length 30 centimeter, breadth 25 and height 25 centimeter. Then total surface area of glass is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. You have to put the value 30 into 25 plus 25 into 25 plus 25 into 30. 30 को 25 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे you get 750 and 25 को 25 से 625. 25 को 30 से करेंगे 750. By adding them you get 2125 into 2. By multiplying them you get 4250 centimeter square. Next part is length of tape required. Tape required कितनी है 4 length है 4 breadth and 4 height. तीनों को ऐड करेंगे means by taking common 4 you get L plus B plus H in bracket. Then you have to put the formula 30 plus 25 plus 25. By adding them 25 plus 25 50 plus 30 80. 80 into 4 you get the answer 320 centimeter. You have to leave the question number 7 and we have to start question number 8. Parveen wanted to make a temporary shelter for her car by making a box like structure with the tarpaulin that covers all the four sides and the top of the car, with the front face as a flip which can be rolled up, assuming that the stitching margins are very small and therefore uh, negligible. How much tarpaulin would be required to make the shelter of height 3.5 meter with base dimension 4 meter into 3 meter? Means Praveen wanted to make a temporary shelter. एक temporary shelter with the tarpaulin प्रवीण चाहता है बनाना जो ऑल साइड से कवर है और जो फ्रंट है उसका रोलिंग है, मीन्स वहाँ पे भी रिक्वायरमेंट है. वी हैव टू स्टार्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. फॉर टेम्परेरी शेल्टर लेंथ is equal to 4 meter, breadth is equal to 3 meter and height is equal to 2.5 meter. Then area of tarpaulin required. You have to put the formula area of 4 walls plus area of roof. Means base पे tarpaulin नहीं लगेगी. 2 into L plus B into H plus area of roof means L into B. Then put the value L4 plus 3 into height 2.5 plus length 4 into 3 as a breadth. ब्रैकेट को सोल्व करेंगे. 4 plus 3 7, 2 into 7 into 2.5 plus 4 3 the 12. By multiplying them you get 35.0 plus 12. 35 में 12 प्लस करेंगे you get the answer 47 meter square. Means 47 meter square tarpaulin is required to make a temporary shelter. Thanks. Have a nice day.